Hi there! In this video, you'll learn how to bulk update Google user profile photos using xFanatical Foresight. Updating Google user profile photos one by one is slow, error-prone, and inefficient, especially for large organizations. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight, admins can bulk update profile photos across multiple accounts in minutes, saving time, reducing mistakes, and ensuring a consistent professional look. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Update Google User Profile Photos and click on it. In the Bulk Update Google User Profile Photos page, click Copy Rule. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Update Google User Profile Photos will display. Click on the Update User Profile Photo action. In the Update User Profile Photo screen, in the Google Drive folder field, select the target folder that contains all the profile image files. Each image should be named in this format. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Go to xFanatical Foresight. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Delete Google User Profile Photos and click on it. Click on the Download Sample CSV File button. In the User Primary Email column, replace the sample email addresses with the actual primary email addresses of the users whose profile pictures you want to update. Go to the Rules page. Click on the Upload button of Bulk Update User Profile Photos rule. Upload the CSV file. Wait for the CSV file to be processed and receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Sign into your Google Admin Console and verify that the automation has successfully updated the profile photo for the users. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.